In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger login problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, go to your Facebook Messenger right here, click on it. After that, click on force stop and then go to the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and click on delete down here as you can see. After that, go back, click on data usage, make sure that all these options here are enabled. Go back again and now click on this force stop, and that's it. Now all what you want to do is reopen your Facebook Messenger and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.